You're welcome to this channel. Introducing eBook Valet, the revolutionary AI tool that allows you to create, design, and publish stunning ebooks and audiobooks in just minutes, without any writing or design skills required. Simply choose your topic, language, and desired word count, and let our advanced AI handle everything from writing to formatting. With features like built-in calls to action and monetization options, your ebooks will be conversion-ready right out of the box. Choose between push-button auto mode for a quick setup or fully custom manual mode for hands-on creation and tailoring to your audience. Plus, you'll gain access to a library of pre-written ebooks in hot niches and ready-to-use email follow-up sequences. eBook Valet even converts your ebooks into engaging audiobooks automatically, offering you another avenue to reach your audience. Best of all, there are no hidden costs or complicated setups. Everything is covered, so you can start profiting quickly. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to tap into the booming ebook and audiobook markets effortlessly. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late. And don't forget about the fantastic bonuses when purchased through the link below. But wait, before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Enjoy and have fun.